Well, Tom, Marissa, Logan Clegg's attorneys are arguing here that Concord police did not have a search warrant for his phone when they used his cell phone location data to track him down in Vermont months after the murders of Steve and Wendy Reed. And some of that evidence includes a pistol and ammunition. During trial, investigators argued exigent circumstances existed, and because of that, a warrant was not needed. In other words, they said Clegg was at risk of fleeing and a danger to the public. Now, if the state Supreme Court agrees, it'd be ruling that any evidence used as a result of the cell phone location data shouldn't have been used against Clegg in court. Right now, he's serving up to life in prison. The Reeds were found dead near the Marsh Loop Trail here in Concord. UNH law professor Daniel Pye says Clegg's attorneys are arguing he presented no exigent circumstances and police should have gotten a warrant.
The legal challenge is according to the New Hampshire Constitution, and there is this open question about the cell phone data as to whether the New Hampshire Constitution provides even stronger protections, maybe not including an exigent circumstances exception.
So Pye says if the state Supreme Court does in fact find that the search of his phone was unconstitutional, there could be a new trial, or they could also say that a jury would have convicted Clegg in the first place anyway without the use of that evidence. In that case, there would be no new trial. We're live in Concord tonight. Imani Fleming, WMUR News 9.